Thank you for joining us today. Due to travel restrictions, Linx will join remotely for the demo. I'm Michelle Chamberlain, Diagraph's Product Manager for Primary Packaging Product. With me is Andrew Young, our Application Engineer for Continuous Inkjet and Laser Coaters. We have a great deal to cover in our short time together, so to start us off, we'll first provide a short overview video of the Diagraph portfolio. Then we'll return with a quick transition to Charles Randon, Linx's Senior Product Manager for Continuous Inkjet Printing Technologies. Charles will provide a demonstration of the 8900 series printing technology, including the MK11 printhead, which ensures our equipment is reliable as you implement new regulations to keep your employees safe as they produce goods.
Upon completion of the demonstration, we will have a few minutes of Q&A. If you have a question or would like to request additional information at any time during our session, please submit your request to one of our online chat experts.
For over a century, Diagraph has been a trusted provider of marking and coding solutions for manufacturers who rely on us to help them make the perfect mark and keep their operations moving with confidence. As a manufacturer, we understand the importance of operational efficiencies, and we leverage our experience, along with our people, customer service, and product portfolio to deliver the Diagraph difference. The difference builds upon three core strengths to ensure our customers achieve the highest levels of marking and coding performance, quality, and results. First, Diagraph is committed to providing our business partners with a superior level of technical service and support, which goes well beyond product implementation. We designed our service programs to match the needs of your maintenance team, from startup training to full-service comprehensive on-site support, including our 24-hour hotline. We are committed to building solutions specifically targeted to our customers' needs. At Diagraph, we understand every industry sector is unique, and manufacturing requirements vary. Our team works with customers to create applications that are ideal for their manufacturing environment, packaging substrate, code requirements, and regulatory guidelines. And because we offer a full array of options, we will always provide the best solution to fit their individual needs. Finally, our coding and labeling technology portfolio is designed to be reliable, repeatable, durable, and easy to use. These solutions are powerful alone, but when used in combination with our comprehensive services, offer benefits that extend well beyond implementation. Let Diagraph be the difference for your primary product, case, and palette marking and coding needs. Allow us to utilize our expertise so that you can enjoy the freedom and flexibility to focus on your business growth.
We hope you found our overview video insightful. While we are focused on continuous inkjet printing during this session, we want you to know that we are a full solution provider of marking and coding technologies. Our objective is to make it easy for you to make the perfect mark.
Next, we transition to Charles Randon to demonstrate the reliability, ease of use, and efficiency of the 8900 series technology. Over to you, Charles.
Thanks, Michelle. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how the Linx 8900 series is designed to give you the most reliable, easy to use, and efficient printer in today's production environments. The 8900 series is a continuous inkjet printer. It can be positioned on a stand or on a wheeled trolley so that it can be moved to where you need it when you need it in the factory. From the front of the machine, you can get easy access to the user interface and also the fluid refill points. And on the side of the machine, you've got connections to the printhead, external triggers, alarms, and other external devices. The user interface on the printer is designed to be the most easy to use interface, and that means that it delivers fast setup and mistake-free printing. The screen is a 10-inch touchscreen. It's a highly responsive screen, and as you can see, it can be used with gloves. It's covered with a protective membrane which is alcohol and solvent proof, so you can use it with gloves, sanitizers, and other cleaning materials. That's vital in today's hygiene conscious environment, we know. The home screen gives some key information here, the currently printing message and the fluid levels. And as you can see, there are large buttons then on the home screen to give you access to everyday functions. You can customize the home screen so you have the functions that you need and regularly use to hand. And you can immediately edit a message from the home screen simply and easily with prompts, so that you can make simple, mistake-free instant changes to messages. The user interface also has multiple line settings, so that if you move the printer from line to line, or if you're changing your product setup, there's no need to reset everything up in the printer. You simply change the line settings in the printer, and the printer does everything else for you. All of the messages and the settings in the printer can be saved on a USB stick and taken from the machine and then taken to another printer to copy those settings across. The printhead on the Linx 8900 series is designed to be the most reliable printhead, and that means fewer unscheduled stoppages on the production line and minimised maintenance. The printhead is hermetically sealed and all the critical components are safely moulded into the printhead, so it can withstand knocks with no problem at all on the production line. The unique design of this printhead means that there are no loose wires or exposed tubes or exposed seals to be damaged on the printhead. There are no parts to adjust or align. The printhead doesn't need any adjustment by the user. And the printhead constantly measures temperature, ink pressure and jet speed itself to deliver consistent print quality and print size. The auto flush system in the printhead is unique, and it means that the printhead can run for up to 3 months between cleaning, far longer than other printheads. The cover tube is a simple design with no dirt traps in the cover tube, and the conduit on this printhead is a figure of 8 design, which means that it's very flexible, and the conduit comes in 2, 4 and 6 metre lengths so that it can fit into any production line space. There's also a right-angled conduit design to fit into really tight spaces on the production line. The cabinet and the ink system are designed to deliver reliability, ease of use and efficiency. When the printer needs refilling, the screen will tell you through its on-screen indication when the cartridges in the printer need changing, and then you simply access them with the one-touch door to access the ink and top-up solvent cartridges. The cartridges themselves are mistake-free and mess-free in design. You can see that the ink and top-up solvent are of different sizes. They also have RFID tags on them, so you simply can't mix them up. And by having them different sizes, it also minimises the interactions you need with the printer and also minimises waste. There is a reserve volume in the printer, so when the cartridges run empty, you can still keep running for up to 12 hours. And when it comes to servicing the printer, well, we've designed the printer to have the lowest service costs. This is the service module. This is what is changed at each service, and it contains a filter and the working volume of ink, which you need to change to keep running reliably. It's a very simple pull-out, push-in process. You can do it with the printer switched on, and the screen will actually interact and step you through the process. It takes just a few minutes of interaction from the user, and then the printer will refill itself, and within half an hour you're up and running again. The service interval on the 8900 series is up to 2 years, so again helping to reduce those running costs of the printer. The cabinet itself is IP55 rated with an IP65 option and is designed to be hygienic with minimal dirt traps. So all of these features help to deliver the most reliable, easy to use and efficient CIJ printer. Thanks very much. Back to you, Michelle.
Welcome back. We have a few questions that have been submitted, so we're going to take some time to go through those questions. And the first question I have is, how long can you keep the printer shut down without cleaning it out?
Well, Michelle, we have an auto flush cycle that'll let you shut down for, initially for standard shutdown up to 4 weeks. It's typically used for your going home for the weekend or a holiday, typical shutdown at the end of the day. And then actually we have an extended shutdown mode, which will allow you to shut down for up to 3 months.
Great. And then if someone needed to shut it down for longer than 3 months, what would you recommend there?
Well, we actually can fully decommission the printer, flush out every single bit of ink residue, and then we are ready to store indefinitely.
Great. I think that's a good answer to that question. From all perspectives. Our second question, how does Linx Auto Flush differ from any other CIJ printer?
Well, we actually have a complete auto flush, unlike a lot of competitors. We run solvent, actually from the solvent pump all the way through the nozzle, through the electric valves in the head, through the gutter, and actually all the way back around through the gutter line back to the ink circuit in the cabinet. This fully cleans our nozzle, it fully cleans the electric valves in the head, and it fully cleans the gutter. Once the auto flush is complete, we actually close off the electric valve in the head, seal off our gutter so that we don't get any more contaminants in while we're shut down, and we vacuum out any remaining ink residue that's in the lines. So we're ready for a trouble-free startup next time around.
Perfect. All right. And our last question, can I operate it remotely? And the answer to that is yes. With our Linx printers and our Diagraph printing technologies, we are able to operate and monitor our connected technologies remotely using our NextConnect application. To end our session today, we actually have a video that's going to provide an overview of the attributes and capabilities of NextConnect. Keep in mind that during the video and even after the video, you're welcome to continue submitting questions online or by email to our online chat experts. We thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future.
It takes innovation for a business to sustain growth and exceed expectations. A creative drive that inspires change and shapes the way we do business. At Diagraph, innovation is taking shape in the NextConnect platform. We developed NextConnect to help our customers remotely control their Diagraph marking and coding technologies, allowing them to focus more on manufacturing their product, not on marking it. Diagraph's NextConnect allows manufacturers to manage the maintenance, monitor performance, and deploy product identification messaging across packaging levels within a centralized dashboard. Handling these critical tasks manually can create mistakes and put a drain on useful resources. NextConnect delivers increased reliability, productivity, and output. Some of the key benefits and features of this system include reduced human errors and higher code accuracy by eliminating manual intervention and monitoring. Decreased risk of downtime with real-time system notifications to alert operators to any needed maintenance. Dynamically populate print message formats with stored product information from compatible databases. Remote printer management and monitoring connects remotely to your coding and labeling equipment from your mobile device and computer to track printed messages, when they were printed, and how many prints have been completed. Create a more secure operation by customizing system controls for supervisors, operators, and engineers. Gain total peace of mind on the status of your product identification coding systems and operations by implementing software that was created by people who understand your issues and fears and implements a solution that delivers. Let us make it easy for you to make the perfect mark